life here in Hong Kong, and we just visited our friends from Advan Shop. We've got a very good friend working here, he's called Benson. He has done a lot of work for DMC over the years. Saying hello, and I saw they have a beautiful 360 Ferrari here. Let's take a look at this baby, DMC Life. I couldn't help but notice this set of wheels next to the Ferrari here. Can you guess what brands these were? Let me know below in the comments. Saying hello, and I saw they have a beautiful 360 Ferrari here. Let's take a very quick look at this baby, DMC Life.